What's up everyone, ये Tapesh Kumar here and आज हम जा रहे हैं प्राची को पिक करने. So Prachi is operating a flight from Kolkata to New Delhi and I thought why not go pick her up. So I'm on my way to pick Prachi up. In the meantime, I would like to talk to you guys about something which has been happening in the aviation industry, and that is, have we recovered from the coronavirus? How is the recovery going on for all the airlines and what are the future prospects? So let's get started. हालत क्या हो रखी है गाड़ी की. So before we get to the airport, we need to get some petrol. गाड़ी में तेल बहुत कम हो रखा है. I don't think it'll reach the airport. Let me show it to you guys. So as you can see, the fuel is pretty low right now. So पहले गाड़ी में थोड़ा पेट्रोल पवाते हैं, उसके बाद फिर चलेंगे हम एयरपोर्ट. And look at that! Did you see that? So that was an aircraft passing just over us. Runways in use are 10 and 11 in Delhi. These are easterly runways. And I live in द्वारका, so सारे जहाज हमारे ऊपर से जाते हैं. ऑन दो. 2000 रुपए में इसकी टंकी आधी हुई है अभी. So Prachi is still a long way off from Delhi. I just checked up on the flight radar. I'll show you guys. She is a very long way off. Plus बहुत सारी headwinds मिल रही होंगी भी. So she's gonna take a lot of time to land. At least about 1 hour. So as you can see, that is Prachi's aircraft, and they are still somewhere near Prayagraj as of now. And she's gonna take at least another 1 hour to land. Normally when we fly, our ground speed is somewhere close to about 470-480 knots. But because इन लोगों को बहुत सारी headwinds मिल रही हैं because of a jet stream, they must be getting about 100 knots of headwind, and as a result, the ground speed is only about 370 knots. And that means Calcutta to Delhi, which is usually about a 2-hour flight, becomes almost 2.5 hours. Park the car and talk about how our aviation industry is getting affected and how things are now actually starting to pick up. So here's what's been happening. First of all, the best part which happened very recently was Indigo removed all their leave without pays. So Indigo and a lot of other airlines had sent their employees on leave without pay, which means the employees were not working and they were not getting paid for it. Indigo, considering how situation is improving, they have removed leave without pay totally. So basically everyone works and everyone gets their full salary. This does not mean you're getting the full salary because there are still deductions in the salaries, but still a very good news. The second great thing which happened is Flybe, which is a brand new airline being started up by FSTC. They did their first proving flight in Indore. So it's an Indore based airline which is operating the ATR 72 aircrafts. Their aircrafts are already in India, 3 of them are in India already, and they did their first proving flight. So basically we have a new airline starting up in these corona times. Another great news, and that is Zoom Air, which was and still is an airline. It's a scheduled operator, and they had operated in 2018 for a few months, but they had shut down operations. They are starting up once again, and they also have vacancies out for CPL holders. So they're hiring brand new fresh CPL holders from the market. And the best news of them all is how the passenger numbers are growing up. Back when operations started, back when flights were allowed once again, only about 4,000 people were traveling domestically in India. However, as of 25th November, of which the last data is available, 2.52 lakh people have traveled on domestic flights, and that's a pretty good increase. As per Indigo, they are already at about 55% of their pre-COVID capacity. Even the government of India, which has been keeping a restriction on how many flights can be operated, they have allowed up to 80% operation of all airlines. So the point that I'm trying to make here is all the airlines are now coming back to their original capacities. The number of passengers who are traveling are increasing. We even have new airlines starting up. Jet Airways also is apparently starting off operations in summers of next year, and they're planning to start their hiring also very soon. So considering all of these things, yes, aviation is back on track. Plus, especially ever since the vaccines have been announced, the aviation stocks have been just going through the roof. Especially all the Indian airlines, the stocks have been going through the roof. So if you deal in stocks and if you bought airline stocks, I'm pretty sure you're very rich right now. So those were my thoughts on how the aviation industry is going and all the roundup of the latest news which has been happening in the aviation industry. I hope you guys got to learn something. And now it's time to go pick up Prachi. We can't be late, otherwise she's gonna kill me. So I'm now gonna be on my way and let's go meet Prachi. So I noticed something very interesting and I thought I'll tell you guys about it. Now, do you guys see this? Can you see this work in progress? यहाँ पे ये bridge सा बन रहा है and यहाँ पर भी काम चल रहा है. This is basically the approach road to the airport. The road I'm standing on, this road goes to Terminal 2 and Terminal 3 in Delhi. Now this construction which is going on is absolutely perpendicular to that road. And what they're doing is they're building an elevated taxiway. So runway 29 is basically on that side and runway 28 is on this side of the road. So what we will have is a flyover, and on that flyover there will not be cars or bikes, there will actually be airplanes. So runway 29 and 28 को cross करने के लिए you will have aircrafts going over this road. So after a few years we'll be seeing airplanes taxiing from there. Another very interesting thing which I just saw is, well, that is the air traffic control tower at Delhi. If you guys want to take a tour of that air traffic control tower, do let me know in the comments below and I'll take you guys there and I'll show you how it looks like from that very tall building. So we are at the airport and I think हम बहुत जल्दी आ गए हैं. Let's have a look at where Prachi is. So there she is right now and they are turning for the finals. That's Prachi's aircraft, and as per the flight radar, they are at 4,800 feet and they will be landing in 8 minutes. So we'll have to stand here for about 20 minutes. कितना करूँ मैं इंतजार?
2,000 years later.
Okay. डिपार्चर में कौन भी को करने आता है? Gotta shoot this. चलो.
I'm sorry, what?
डिपार्चर से कौन पिकअप करने आता है?
पिछली बार मैंने कहाँ से पिकअप किया था आपको?
अरे पिछली बार की बात अलग थी. वो
पिछली बार की बात अलग क्या थी?
मैं आपके प्यार में डिस्पैच में आ गई थी.
इस बार अभी प्यार खत्म हो गया?
मैंने ऐसे ही आपको बोला था मुझे डिस्पैच में काम है. अभी भी काम. अरे
आज काम नहीं था.
आप लोगों की तबीयत कैसे दोनों की?
मैं तो परफेक्ट
मस्त हूँ. मैं भी परफेक्ट हो गई. चलो कुछ कहानी सुनाओ अच्छी सी.
आप करके आए हो फ्लाइट? आप बताओ क्या हुआ आपका फाइनल्स पे आज? You tell us, how was your flight?
It was awesome.
और अभी कितने दिन हो आप दिल्ली में?
एक दिन.
Go Air management, if you're watching this, please give Prachi Delhi base. Thank you, I appreciate it. We need Delhi base.
Go Air management, if you're watching this, please take him and Go Air. Say bye.
Okay, bye. कैमरा की बैटरी खत्म हो गई है and okay, bye. See you guys in the next one.
Take care. I will talk to you guys. I will talk. क्या बात करूं?
Talk about what?
किस बारे में वीडियो था?